Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be playing with some MAC items, and there isn't anything super special about this look, but I really wanted to play with some MAC items since it's been some time since I pulled anything out. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, let's go. Alright guys, so today we are taking it back to MAC, and I have on my Studio Fix Fluid Foundation in NC40. I have the Pro Longwear Concealer in NC30, and I also use my Bright Forecast Prep and Prime highlighting pen to just counteract some of the darkness under my eyes, and we are all set and ready to go. I'm going to use my Lane Low paint pot, and I'm going to use it as my eyeshadow base today. I'm really excited because I'm going to be filming a lip swatch video for you guys. I got a bunch of the ¿cómo se llama? Powder Kiss liquid lipsticks, and I have really been loving them. I started off with 4 and I quickly built my collection because the formula is fantastic. The pigmentation is fantastic. Like, if you're curious about them, they're good. All right, so I'm going to take this palette. This is the Warm Neutral palette. Looks like this, and I'm going to take this color here, which I believe is Brulee. The only way I can see the colors on these is if I pop them out, and I'm not gonna pop them out, guys, sorry. So I'm just gonna have to show you what they look like. We're gonna keep this look pretty simple today because we're gonna be doing lip swatches, so I wanna make sure that whatever I do goes with everything. I'm going to take this color here, which I believe is Saddle, and I am going to pop that into the crease. I'm going to take this shade here and just pop that into the outer corner. This, I believe, is Ground Brown. It's a really good shade. And I'm just going to soften this by taking the clean side and blending. I'm going to go ahead and do my liner off camera. I'm going to be using Black Track gel liner to create a wing. Alright guys, so I do not have a bronzer by MAC, and what I'm going to do is take my eyeshadow palette and use this shade, which is what we used in our crease. And with a fluffy brush, I'm going to use this just to add some warmth to my face. And I ended up using actually dark brown. They have a gel brow product, and I used the dark brunette or dark brown, something like that, to do my wing. I wanted something soft, but I don't have one of their brow gel liners, brown gel liners. For my highlight, I'm going to be using Double Gleam. And yeah, this one's super frosty and white. When these extra dimension skin finishes came out, I got really excited and I bought a ton of them. Can you guys pick up on a pattern? I'm gonna just take my foundation brush and I'm going to press that into the skin. It'll be fine once I use my setting spray. So I'm not worried about it. Kind of. No, not. Just a little bit. For my blush today, I'm going to be using No Shame, which is this beautiful pink shade. And I'm going to load it up on my Fenty brush and then just press it onto the skin. To set my makeup, I'm going to use Fix Plus, and this is in the lavender, I think. Yeah, lavender. We're gonna let that dry, and then we're gonna come back and have our lip on. All right guys, for my lips, I'm gonna take Crossfade, and this is one of their Power Kiss liquid lip colors. These are very similar to the Selena Gomez liquid lipsticks or lip souffles. And this lip color has me feeling fall. Alright guys, so here is your final look. There isn't anything really fancy about this look. It was very basic, but I really wanted to play with some MAC products since it's been a hot minute, and then also get ready to show you guys my new lippies. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Please be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. I do upload 3 videos a week and I don't want you guys to miss any of them. Also, make sure to like this video as it does help support my channel. And lastly, leave me a comment down below letting me know what videos you'd like to see on my channel. Thank you guys so much for spending time with me, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.